Okay, this is a quick little video to show you how to share your Jamboard with me once you're done with it. So you're going to click here to make a copy of your Jamboard. And we've done this a few times now. And on here you have an activity, and it says to use 15 floor tiles to create a floor plan for a playroom. Your playroom must have an area of 15 units. So you can move these squares around and create a floor plan. Whatever your playroom is going to look like. Okay? Maybe you'll make it in a square, maybe you'll make it in a rectangle, maybe you'll make it in another shape. And then on the next page, you're going to use the same 15 floor tiles, but you're going to create a different floor plan. And it must have an area of 15 units, square units. So again, you will move these around, and once you're done and you've created it, then you're going to click on the share button, and you're going to click onto that blue, and you're going to start typing my name, SOW, and there you're going to see my name come up. And you're going to click on it, and you're going to send, and that's going to be it. It'll send me an email and let me know that you have finished the assignment.